The next topic is we are going to see how to pay suppliers outstanding bill through QuickBooks. So this will explain how to enter their payments to our supplier. So okay, we'll see how to do that. From this main menu, there's options. So the button is available, the pay bills. We can use this pay bills not only for payments to the supplier, but also for the other expenses also. Other expenses also will be treated in this QuickBooks as a supplier payment. So we can mainly use this window for the two purposes. One is payments to supplier and payments to other utility bills and other expenditures and all. Right? Okay. We'll see how to pay the supplier bills. Click on this pay bill. Once you click, all these outstanding bills will be listed on the date when we are going to pay. Right. For example, if you are going to pay the bill to, you see here, XYZ and the Peter, and the Peter next bill is also there. Right. Okay. We can use here the payments 150,000 for XYZ Private Limited. If it is so, you have to select this one, and once you select, okay, this is the discount date, and what we are going to do the payments on January 8. January 8 is the payments date, and the billing date, you see this bill is discounted, right? Okay, and what we can do, we have to select, and if the customer is eligible to enjoy any discount, you can click this discount button also here. Discount button, select this discount button. This is called the discount and the credit. Discount and credit. So 150,000, it is a 1% discount if it is paid within 10 days. So the billing date is January 1st, the bill amount 150, but we are going to pay the bill on 8th of January. So before 10 days we are going to pay. So automatically the system will calculate the discount, and we have to enter this record, because why? This is 1,500 is expenditure to the company. So what we have to do it, we have to make a entry. So is there any expenditures account sales discount? No. If it is so, we can create a sales discount account directly under this any expenses and other expenses or expenses account. Okay, put purchase discount. Okay, so we are going to put the purchase discount here and copy and paste here on this description, and finally click save and close. So automatically this account is available here. So if we post this record, automatically 1,500 amount will be deducted from this customer dues, and the customer will finally pay 148,500, and 1,500 will be posted to this purchase discount account. Okay, click done. So this windows will show you the discount used 1,500, and the amount due is 150,000, and finally amount to pay 148,500. Right, which account we are going to use to pay this 148,500? Right, for example, method here, checks, or if it is all customers are using checks, all suppliers are using checks, and for the supplier payments we use check, and we can select the amount from which account. Okay, I am going to use the Sambat bank account. So it shows that after deducting 148,500, the ending balance will be updated 107,000. Okay, what we can do finally to proceed this entry, click pay selected bill. Once we click pay selected bill, the payment summary will be updated with this print checks. Okay, as we are using Sambat Bank for the payment, so we are going to give this checks to our supplier. Okay, click print checks. automatically the next the selected checks to print will be there, and you have already selected this and click OK. Right. So if our system is connected with the printer, automatically the checks will be produced. Checks will be produced with the amount of 148,500. Okay, and I'm going to cancel this. Okay, now what we have to do it, click select checks to print, click OK. Okay, and again print. Okay, as this printer is not connected, the information is come here, right? Print check confirmations. After that, finally we have to click OK. If click OK, the entry is posted. Entry is posted. You can check your bank directly through this chart of account, also from this general ledger you can check this, or else with this account balances in your right side, it is directly show you, and you can click this Sambat Bank, double click on it. Once you double click, automatically your opening balance was 255,500. This is the fund you have received from one customer. It's called from undeposited fund transfer, 255,500. And the next the payment is see here to the XYZ Private Limited. We have made a payment 148,500. Okay, this is the debit side and this is the credit side. So that's what it's called, this deposit and the payment. So this is the balance figure is shown here as a ending balance. So 107,000 is our ending balance, and click close. Again we can check our supplier account. For example, click supplier creditor, and to the XYZ. So you can click this one. See here, payment checks 148,500, bill amount is 150,000. This is the purchase order, new purchase order be made, but we haven't received the item. Okay, so as we have seen in the previous class how to do a purchase order and receive item, so we might have learned this, but of course the only one bill was there, 150,000, and the amount we have paid 148,500. Okay, so this is the way that we can do, we can post the transaction for the payments to our supplier. So we have finished how to do payments to supplier. Okay.